Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So students, today our topic is, as we were studying before grammar, so today our topic is verb. See students, verb, what does the verb means? Fail. Okay, let's look at the definition. Verb means the action we do. किसी भी काम करने को fail कहा जाता है. What does this means? Means whatever action you are doing, that is called a verb. Fail. Like what I am doing right now, I am teaching. So the teaching is my action I am doing right now. What you are doing? You are listening or you are looking at the video. So looking or listening is your verb, your action. Okay? Okay, so we will look at some examples. Example. Writing, playing, bathing, running. These are all action. Like वो नहा रहा है, वो खेल रहा है, वो पढ़ने जा रही है, वो स्कूल जाती है, वो लिख रही है. Anything. If we use them in sentences, we will say Aisha is writing on book. Amna is playing with friends. Asma is taking bath. Ali is running fast. So look at all these sentences. Aisha is writing on book. If we stop this one, if we hide this one, Aisha is on book. What is Aisha on book? What action she is doing on the book? Is she drawing on the book? Is she reading on the book? Is she writing on the book? We don't know. So with this we get a complete sentence and we come to know the action what the person or the subject is doing. So what is Aisha doing? Aisha is writing on book. Now another example, Amna is playing with friends. Amna is with friends. Okay, but what she is doing with friends? वो friends के साथ क्या कर रही है? You don't know. So what she is doing? She is playing with friends, or she is eating with friends, or she is studying with friends. Anything you can say. Same way, Asma is taking bath. What Asma is doing? She is taking bath. That is her action, what she is doing. What Ali is doing? Ali is fast. In which Ali is fast? Running. Ali is fast. Ali is running fast. So these are the examples of our verb. Fail means काम करना, action दिखाना. The action which we are doing, the work which we are doing, that is called a verb. Okay? Verb means the action we do. किसी भी काम के करने को fail कहा जाता है. These are the examples. Okay students? So now let's move to our book and let's see more examples in that. So students of class 4, we are going to study now. We are coming to our book. Which book? The book is English, Grammar and Composition. Book 4. Okay students, English, Grammar and Composition, book 4. And our page is 36. Open page number 36. Yes students. Now we are on our page number 36. What is our topic? It's unit 11, page number 36, and our topic is verb. Fail. Okay? Now let's start reading. The verb means the doing word. It has 3 forms. The first, the second and the third form. Continuous action require the first form plus ing. This is the children, actually you just read it, but for the explanation we can go to the next class. You can get more explanation, or inshallah when you move to your school, inshallah then you can understand more. Anyways, we look at the example of the verbs right now and its three forms. So students, these are our examples. Walk on the footpath. Footpath par chalo. What is the action here, students? Walk. Yes. What they are doing on the footpath? Walk. They are walking on the footpath. Okay. Next, we need water. हमें पानी की ज़रूरत है. पानी की क्या है? What they want water for? They need water. ज़रूरत है उन्हें. We need water. Next, he bought a pen. What he did with a pen? He bought a pen. Okay. Next, number 4. They got prizes. उन्होंने इनाम जीते. So what happened with the prize? And with them? They won. They got. उन्होंने जीते. They got prizes. Number 5. Is Qasim sleeping? क्या कासिम सो रहा है? Sleeping is also an action. So, is Qasim sleeping? Next, I was reading in my room. So, what I was doing in my room? I was reading in my room. Okay. Next, please help me. So, what you want? What other person is asking you for? Help. The action which they want from you is help. Madad karna. Please help me. मेहरबानी करके मेरी मदद करें. What are you doing? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? Number 9. She cooked meal. What she did? Cooked. पकाना. उसने खाना पकाया. The gardener is watering the plants. What is the gardener doing? The gardener is watering the plant. माली पौधों को क्या कर रहा है? पानी दे रहा है. They went by bus. वो बस के जरिए गए. वो बस से गए. कहाँ क्या किया उन्होंने? बस से गए. They went. गए. That's the action they did. Copy these words. इन अल्फाजों की नकल करो. क्या करो? इन अल्फाजों की नकल करो. If you get some words, especially you will ask your teacher or mother that mummy or teacher, what I have to do with these words? So what is your action? Copy these words. इन अल्फाजों की नकल करें. I get up early in the morning. So what she do in the morning or what I do in the morning? सुबह सवेरे मैं क्या करता हूँ? उठता हूँ. I get up early in the morning. मैं सुबह सवेरे उठता हूँ. Okay, students, these are the examples of the action, of the fail, of the verb, you can say, which a person does. Now we are going to move towards the forms. There are 3 forms of verb. Okay? First form, यानी पहली form, second form, दूसरी form, and तीसरी form means third form. Okay? These are the forms of the verbs. Let's see, because there are some sentences, some tenses in which you use first form, in some you use second form, in some you use third form. But first you should know that what are the forms. After that you will come to know that in which tense, which form you use. Okay? So we will just look at the forms. What is first word? Ask. That is the first form, pehli form. Ask. Second, asked. Third, asked. It's same. Asked, asked. Next, aim. Aim means मकसद होना. Aim. Aimed, aimed. Arise. उठना, जागना, उबरना. Arise, arose, arisen. See, students, look at the difference also. All the words don't go the same way. There are some different with different form. Here see, like here we studied aim, aimed, aimed, and it was ask, asked, asked. At least same. But see, look at the arise. It's arise, arose, arisen. Okay. Next, buy, खरीदना. Bought, bought. Next, beat, पीटना, मारना. Beat, beat, beaten. See, first and second form is same. Beat, beat, beaten. Next, bend, bent, bent. See, D has changed into T. Bend, bent, bent. Next, bend means murna, morna. Catch, pakarna. Caught, caught. Next, come, ana. Come, came, come. Okay? Come, came, come. Next, we'll move to our page number 37. Next page. See students? Same. Cook, cooked, cooked. Cook, cooked, cooked. Pakana means do, karna. Did, done. See? Do, did, done. Dig, khodna. Dig, dug, dug. Okay? Dig, dug, dug. Next, dance, nachna. Danced, danced. Enter, dahil hona. Entered, entered. End, khatam hona. Ended, ended. Eat, khana. Ate, eaten. Okay? Eat, ate, eaten. Fly, udna. Flew, flown. See the difference? Fly, flew, flown. Fetch, lana. Fetched, fetched. Fail, nakam hona, हार जाना. Fail, failed, failed. Get, हासिल करना. Got, gotten. Go, जाना. Go, went, gone. Jump, छलांग लगाना. Jumped, jumped. Kick, ठोकर लगाना. Kicked, kicked. Lay, रखना. Lay, laid, laid. Lie, लेटना. Lay, lane. Lie, lay, lane. The last one, look, देखना. Look, looked, looked. Okay student, these are all the three forms which we use in different tenses that you will study later. It's first form, second form and third form. Right now we finished till look, looked, looked. Okay, now our next topic is about an essay. So student, move towards the page number 82. Yes students. Now we are on our essay. Page number 82, unit 28. Okay? And what is our essay? You can say it's a school, my school, mera school. If like you talk to your cousins or friends, anybody asks you that how is your school? So you will start describing your school. That how is your school? Like your school is big or small, how many teachers you have, what subjects you have, or how is your like playground of your school, what activities you have in school, what you study in school, how many friends you have in school. So you will start describing your school. This is called an essay. It could be about anything. It could be about yourself also. They can say that write essay about yourself. So you will start explaining yourself. That I am early, I am this much years old, I like this, I dislike this, like this student. So our topic is my school. So let's start. What essay is on the school? I go to a school every day. मैं हर रोज स्कूल जाता हूँ. I go to school every day. My school's name is Sadiq Public School. Now this is the name of the school. It is a middle standard school. Okay, middle standard school means यानी थोड़े you can say कि वो it's not high level, ऊंचे मिकदार का नहीं, ऊंचे मेयार का नहीं, normal मेयार का school है. It's a middle standard school. The school owns a huge building. Means school की एक बहुत सी बड़ी building है, huge building है. So there are 30 classrooms. See. Now you tell about your classroom. There are 30 classrooms, 3 staff rooms and a principal office in the school. There is a vast playground in front of the school's building. My school is a big school. Nearly 1,000 students come to this school every day to learn, to read and write. The classrooms are big and airy. Airy means hawadar. In each classroom, there are 2 ceiling fans and 3 tube lights. सीलिंग फैन स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज सीलिंग फैन? जो पंखे छत पे लगते हैं उनको सीलिंग फैंस कहा जाता है. ओके आप सबके घर में होंगे पंखे, वो जो छत पे होते हैं उनको सीलिंग फैंस कहा जाता है. नॉट द वन विच इज ऑन द वॉल, दैट आर नॉट सीलिंग. सीलिंग मीन्स छत. सो देर आर 2 सीलिंग फैंस एंड 3 ट्यूब लाइट्स. ट्यूब लाइट्स मीन्स बत्ती. ट्यूब लाइट्स, there are big ventilators and windows as well. Okay, ventilators means roshandan. Ventilators and windows as well. The school starts at 7:30 and finishes at 1:30. So this is the time of the school. My school is famous, means mashhoor hai, for its standard and quality for education. Okay student, स्टैंडर्ड मीन्स मेयार. एक स्कूल का एक मेयार है, एक नाम है. सो माई स्कूल इज फेमस फॉर इट्स स्टैंडर्ड एंड क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन. मे गॉड माई स्कूल थ्राइव एवर मोर. थ्राइव एवर मोर मीन्स और फले फूले और कामयाबी हो या और उसको तरक्की मिले. ओके सो स्टूडेंट, दिस वॉज द आवर essay फॉर माई स्कूल. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मूव टूवर्ड्स आवर letter writing. So student, let's go to page number 93. Yes students, now we are on our page number 93, unit number 30, and our topic is letter. If you have to write a letter, and for writing a letter, students, you should know the pattern, how to write a letter, whether you are writing your mother, father or friend or relative or uncle or anybody, or to the school, to the principal, anything. So you should know how to write it. So let's start. Write a letter to your father asking him to send you money to buy a new course. New course means आपको नई किताबें खरीदनी है या नया पेन खरीदने हैं या कोई भी नया किसी भी चीज़, कोई भी चीज़ आपको खरीदनी है, उसके लिए आपको पैसे चाहिए. एंड यू आर राइटिंग अ लेटर टू योर फादर. अपने वालिद को आप खत लिख रहे हैं पैसों के लिए. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. डियर फादर, यू मस्ट बी ग्लैड. ग्लैड मीन्स खुश होंगे. टू नो दैट आई हैव पास्ड क्लास 4. मैं क्लास 4 पास कर चुका हूं, आप ये जानकर खुश होंगे. You must be glad to know that I have passed class 4. I have stood second in the class. मैं क्लास में दूसरी पोजीशन पे आया हूं. So I have stood second in the class. Now I am in class 5. अब मैं क्लास 5 में हूं. I need to buy new books and notebooks. मुझे नई किताबें और कॉपियों की ज़रूरत है. I need to buy new books and notebooks. Please send me an amount of ₹1,000 to buy the new course. तो मेहरबानी करके मुझे 1,000 रुपये भेज दें ताकि मैं नया कोर्स खरीद सकूँ, नई किताबें खरीद सकूँ. Okay, please send me an amount of ₹1,000 to buy the new course. Your affectionate son, Hassan Shaukat. Then date, by which date you are writing the letter, that you will note down and you will write your name. Affectionate means प्यारा. आपका प्यारा बेटा हसन शौकत, अली फैसल, anything it could be. Date and you will finish your letter. Okay students, so this was our topic today, in which we studied verb, essay and letter writing. Okay students, I hope you understand and you study well in your house. Inshallah, you will soon join the school also. You should pray for this virus and inshallah, your health also. And inshallah, our school also starts soon. So we finished English grammar and composition book 4 with our verb, essay and letter writing. Inshallah, students, see you in the next class. Take care and Allah Hafiz.
वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करें, अपनी राय कमेंट करें। ऐसे ही मजीद वीडियोस के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल का आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे।